Good morning. It's our day 3 here in Bali. As you can see, I'm the only one here sa hotel kasi nga late na naman po tayo nagising. Aldrin and Ate Jonah is already in the buffet table. So ngayon kumakain na sila at kanina pa sila tumatawag sa akin. I think kailangan na natin silang puntahan ngayon kasi maji-GG sila at malilate kami sa tour. So right now it's going to be a chill day because we're just gonna go to Uluwatu. Basically I will go to Turtle Sanctuary and then Uluwatu Temple, some cafe for coffee, and yeah, see you guys later.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Let's eat. It's time to eat for our tour. Laki naman ng cake. That's it, guys.
Masarap yung guava juice nila.
Nasaan guava? So hi guys, hindi na ako nakapag opener bago umalis cause prepare na kami kagad.
Ano natin?
Pampunta. So this is the GWK not sure if this is temple eh. Basta i-search nyo na lang. Okay yung tamad guys. Okay. See ya. Oh, actually guys, I'm checking. This is like a cultural park. Yeah, this is the Garuda Wisnu Kenkana Cultural Park. There. So may amphitheater sila dito. As you can see, this is where they perform, and you'll be able to see their performances. But I'm not sure if I'm allowed to go in, but I'll go in. Ayan. So, since wala namang performance, hindi pa kami magpo-perform guys. So, mamaya na lang. Tutur ko kayo with the cast. Since hindi naman talaga to kasama sa aming itinerary, hindi na kami papasok. Kasi may picture naman na kami. Kasi another 150,000 ang babayaran natin. So, alam naman tayo.
Pero hindi mag-break ang bank.
Yes. Tagtipid tayo, be. Hindi naman kailangan ano, bayaran lahat eh. Pagka may picture na, nakita naman natin yung loob, kaya na yun. Hindi na para mag-ano-ano pa.
Social climbing tip.
Social climber. O hindi tayo social climber.
Ay, tipid tips.
Tipid tips, yeah.
Travel budget.
Right.
Wise travel budget.
So ayan guys, dito sa GWK may mga restaurants sa may labas. So they have the Starbucks, and then may iba pa doon. And of course, some souvenir shops. So yeah, you can visit here guys. I think it's for free, pero may 150,000 kapag papasok ka dun sa may mismo loob, which is mas makikita mo kasi yung I think the statue na nakita nyo kanina is third of the biggest statue based on my research. I might be wrong, so you might wanna check. Huwag tayong tatamad-tamad, huwag nyo iasa sa akin lahat. So, punta tayo sa Kenkana Souvenirs. Section guys, from ref magnets to tumblers. And then to bags. It's a cultural center. Medyo may pagka-pricey siya. So, ayun. So, alam nyo na yung mga kaibigan ko nag-aantay ng pasalubong dyan. Nail cutter na lang muna kayo. Okay. For today. Wow, fit!
Pwede.
Ayan. Fit check ako.
Pwede. Oh, ay, Indo na Indo.
Ay, Indonesia.
Sorry ka.
Hindi. Tira mo kasi.
Tiramisu?
Ano?
Teta.
Yan na. Naito na tuloy ako.
Hey guys, got the goods. Puro ref magnet lang binili. Color white. Para siyang ano, okay, Ramayana. Arjuna.
Are they once people or just starting?
Here at Pandawa Beach. Telescope later. So I think this is the surfing area for them. And then there's a lot of restaurants. Hi. You're my best view. Gago. Ay. So yeah, there you go. Guys, 100,000. Kaso, kailangan mo mag-ingat kasi baka mamatay ka. Okay, alright. Alright, nice. So yeah, relaxing, isn't it? Nagubad ka agad. So kanina bago kami dumating dito, dun sa may unahan, daming mga, ano yan, unggoy, no? Daming unggoy.
Konting naman naman.
O mababait naman sila, pero di natin masasabi. Kaya napatanggal Tinanggal kagad ako ng eyeglass. So, order kami ng buko.
Order na kayo?
And siguro magpipicture lang kami tapos swim. Para may props tayo. La! Ano to?
Papakita yun sa
Ano yun? Ang laswa!
Hindi naman pawit eh.
So, order lang kami ng buko juice and then we're gonna swim sa tulog. Because sleep is life. Our goods and sobrang tamis niya, guys. So good. For the buko dito, pero sa Pilipinas ayaw magbuko. Hi guys, so we just got change outfit tayo dahil after natin maligo.
Wala tayong video na maliligo tayo.
So we're here sa tabing something, tabing dagat o tabing ilog. So yeah, registration Tanabara. Ito yung famous yung hinati na bundok yata, whatever it is. Do the research, guys. So sasakay kayo ng shuttle. You just need to get the ticket here first before anything else. See ya. The ticket, and there's a free drink. Gonna wait for our shuttle bus to arrive, then off we go.
Ako pa isa.
About to arrive, I'm not sure kung kami na yan, but kapahinga lang yata yung mga driver. Pagod na daw sila. So guys, makikita niyo may mga nagpa-paraglide. So makikita niyo may nagpa-paraglide din, guys. Kita pa, parang hindi. So we're here. Let's go to Tanabara. Tanabara for the win. Guys, na pumunta kami dito noong 2023, nilalakad lang to kaya nakakapagod. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila magdala sila ng extra shirt, pero nilalakad lang namin. Pero now may shuttle na entrance. Oh, ayan o, tignan mo sila. Ko yung 30,000 is for the shuttle and the trip. Pero pwede mong pasukin. So doon kami sa dulo para sila matatakpan ng mga katawan. Kami nagpipicture. So my experience here is amazing so far. Siyempre ang tagal ni Ate Jonah, di ba? Jonah, tara. So, kita niya nagpalit tayo ng eyeglasses para mas mura. Para mas mura. Pagka nahablot, at least hindi masyadong masakit. Pero yes, maraming unggoy dito. Ha? Gagi.
Prohibited daw yung camera.
Ha?
Ang part yun.
Dun sa ano? Sa temple. Pero dito pwede. Tumingin kayo sa taas, ha? Lagi yan nasa bubong. So dito guys, if you're going to visit here, make sure that you hindi kayo magsusuot ng mga accessories na pwede nilang hablutin, like ganito, eyeglasses, di ba? Hindi talaga ano. We don't practice what we preach. Char. Dito wala pa masyado sa entrance, pero pagpasok doon for sure madami na. So here's the temple. Akala mo lang yun. Tsaka nang babasa sila, Ben. Nang babasa sila, wag mo itong ibigay.
Ano naman tayo?
Para pala tayo nasa temple.
Oo, sa tayong temple. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Uluwatu Temple and hindi na sila sumama kasi nainitan na sila. But yeah, that's it. So, nice ang view dito and medyo madaming tao. Ang saya lang kasi para ka nasa horror house. Kasi yung mga unggoy baka mag-ano sila, nang-a-attack sila lalo kapag ang mga punteriya nila mga eyeglasses. Kasi I think kapag kinuha yung eyeglasses, papalitan ng pagkain para lang makuha yung eyeglasses. So doon na sila. Yun ang nila dito. Diskarte. Well anyways, look at the people around. This is how a lot of them are actually waiting for the Kecak dance. Ito yung pila. So, 100 yung entrance and there's another 150 entrance for the Kecak dance. Kecak dance is the how they portray the Bali history. So I think that's like a religious show, something. Hindi ko sila makita, pero I think I just need to go back. Kasi ang alam ko, bibili sila ng like souvenirs here sa Uluwatu. So I think ano ba ako? Yan, mas kita na. So there you have it, guys. This is the Uluwatu Temple. This is our like 3rd day. Tomorrow is the last day. So I'll see you again in a bit. I think we're just gonna grab some food, go back to hotel. Ngayon yata kami mag-shopping or shopping. I mean, mamimili ng mga souvenirs kasi wala kaming time tomorrow. Tsaka ngayon lang kami may driver. So yeah. So we're here in a restaurant. So here comes the food. Picture tayo.
How do you say
Chicken
let's
satay.
eat in Balinese? How do you say let's eat in Balinese?
Marima pa.
Ang laki pala nung sa akin. At ang dami.
So coming here.
Let's try. So we're done eating and our bill is 500,000 IDR. So it's like around 2,000 pesos, right? Okay na din. Sulit naman at masarap. Yes.
So I want to try first.
So we'll go back to the hotel after payment to rest because we still have work.